Happy with the signing of the historic Karbi Peace Accord last week, the Sarupathar BJP Mandal Committee held on Thursday felicitated leaders of the KPLT, KLNLF, UPLA and PDCK in an event held at Balipathar Playground. Here is a short report from our correspondent. The felicitation program was conducted by the Mandal Committee in order to welcome the armed groups leaders for their decision to come to the mainstream. The felicitation program was chaired by Mandal BJP President Lokhiram Rongpi and assisted by Hunaram Singnar. Among other leaders who attended the event were Bokajan Mandal President Dulna Chetri, Borjan Mandal President Sunaram Singnar, KAAC Social Welfare Board Chairman Kadom Terangpi and others. To accept the welcome and greetings from the BJP workers, UPLA Home Secretary Binut Togbi, Foreign Secretary Bali Rongpar, Waisong Rongpar and Elias Rongpar were present in the program. On the other hand, KAAC EM Jagat Singh Ingti and KAAC Speaker Longki Timung attended as guests. During the day, all speakers emphasized on the point that the Karbi peace has no negative impact on the Karbis. It only guarantees more development for them. They also say that several groups and individuals are protesting against the accord because they are lacking thorough understanding of the clauses included in it. Leaders here say that they will soon come before public and discuss in details about the clauses of the accord.
Peace accord really pupune, mate victory really pupune, mate welcome really pupune. Bangamen mo irpo la so really ki biji phansi la tum kachingwai. Tame la so logot alang tum uthot la song trok. Kijabang putum phan non hejong Delhi Saritarik peace accord kachitok bang putum phan la so amelong archu ponji wajah se alang tum chi pathik lo la se alang tum so nangi hang ting pencil ni tum dakchi tong dun lo bikhe koi ke la tum ke ami thang la mondol ki thom tum non la so really aputha ko sonsi ke pachun pa mejim ma la pen la so really ajok kaduk kawe la homusi ki thom a rat atum la non peace accord along la agreement alulong adophatin a clause tin ko PPC ki tok ma la kaduk kawe rat atum phan la non kapre ga APHLC po non 24 plus organization tumon atumbang ke kapre mane rat angnu mispropaganda misguide ka puripon ne tum thekdam no la se alang tum pens tame la hai kaddo koi than ki paklari phansi la bangsu really bang bipon neli tum ke alang tum nanga chu phapen nang kar chu pen ne tum ningarong lo mondol ke thoma ajabang tum hans tame alang tum ne tum phan la an man ngi pi la an nang ching hon po la pen mo iprang gi wang dia long ans tame alang tum pen juga pen mom si la hai kaddo ka ve akota puthak ta ne tum implement ji panta ne tum matha kon chingwai kon la alamang
Subhas Terang from Langchathing, Karbi Anglong Live.
Come one, come all to the third Inter-Church Football Tournament come awareness program on addiction and human trafficking organized by Community Health and Development Program, Baptist Christian Hospital, Tejpur, a unit of Emmanuel Hospital Association, New Delhi, in collaboration with AKBCLFYD for both women and men. Registration starts from September 1 to September 20, 2021 at Putaro Playground, Dongmukak. For more detail, contact 8638 398 440.